It's about 4 p.m. in Ghana. I'm Kenyan, so if it's about 4 p.m. in Nairobi, it's time for tea. It's a culture that they call it English tea time. So I want to give some of my neighbors here in Osu that ideal Kenyan tea experience. I told some of them that I'll be making some Kenyan tea. I've been mentioning it to them. So I just want to make some tea and go and share it with them and just share that small Kenyan experience with them, because they've been sharing everything that they have with me, and it's the least that I could do to give back. So let's get to making the tea. By the way, I don't cook, so tea is the best that I can do. So let's get to it. I'll also be making some tea here, because if anybody else might want, I don't want to come back in the kitchen to start cooking, because it's not my favorite thing to do. So let's also make some tea here. Ooh, twinzo! The smell, you guys. It's time to do the test to see if it's okay, if the tea bag concentration is maybe. So one final test to see if the sugar concentration is okay. Yeah, we can add some more sugar. I've just remembered a really bad joke that my sister always tells and says, no matter how much oil or tomatoes you put in food, if it's not delicious, it's not delicious. Ready, and we are ready to go and serve it to my friends. Will they like it? When they like it, I don't know. I'm just going out there saying, you know the way they say fresh water. I'm just going to be like, Kenyan tea, ooh, Kenyan tea, anyone who's interested. Yeah. My dear, how are you? Help me with the cup. I've made Kenyan tea like I told you yesterday. Let me give you some. I don't have a cup. I would have put in your cup, but I don't have a cup.
Cannot please. Hey,
Sorry, I'm going to make some more. I'll bring you some more. Hey, guys, I'm making round 2 of the tea. Round 1 went so first, so where am I wearing a mask? I'm alone. So we're making round 2, and I want to add a little bit of cinnamon and iliki. What's iliki in English? Help me, please. English came with the boat, as we say in East Africa. And C. And this was taught to me by the Rahil family. You can check them out on YouTube. The wife is Tanzanian, so she makes some really nice tea. So let's see how this goes. not making around 3, irrespective of what happens. I'm tired, man. Cooking wasn't meant for me. They're Swahili spices. No pancake are for the kids. Okay, tell me, how did you find it?
Oh, it's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah, it's nice.
Give me credit. I cooked.
Okay, it's fine, it's fine. Like, this one is, that's a very big difference. I can't even tell. It's very nice. Oh, it's good.
What's, like, have you ever drank anything like it?
Oh, no.
Okay.
It was nice.
It was nice. Okay, thank you.
The tea was really nice.
It was nice.
Yeah, it was very nice.
Okay, thank you.
Your tea is fine. I'm nice, so.
How do you find it?
The smell is good.
The smell is good. Okay, I hope you'll enjoy the taste
I
too.
enjoyed it.
Très bon, très.
Is it nice?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Guys, I would very much want to say that this is the end of our tea video, but it's not. Because, guess what? I have dishes that I need to do. Let me just show you how the sink looks like. Guys, look at that, a clean sink. I am done. I am so tired. I want to take a shower, then eat. And can you hear the music out there? I also want to go, dance with my neighbors. In Ghana is so much fun, by the way. People are just dancing along the street. You saw the cuts of the kids dancing, so I want to take off my makeup, shower, eat, and then go dance, because I know they'll be dancing until like 11. So instead of getting pissed off at I'm unable to sleep, life is going with the flow. I'm gonna go and dance. I'll see you in the next vlog, okay? Oh, remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next vlog.